Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're painting a magical northern light scene as seen through a window. For that, we need different size brushes, 4-inch canvas board and acrylic paint. The colors are ultramarine blue deep, aqua green, black and white. To start, I'm applying a generous amount of black paint directly onto the canvas. This creates a satisfying ASMR-like effect and will serve as the base for our night sky. Now, using a flat brush, I'm slowly blending and covering the entire canvas with black paint, making sure to spread it evenly. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Ovia and I'm happy to have you as part of this creative space. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can never miss a new painting tutorial. There's so much more to come. Make sure you're covering the edges as well. Once the black background is completely dry, I'm using masking tape to create a window effect. I place strips along the edges and add one in the center to create a plus shape. This part takes a little patience, but trust me, it will be worth it. Now that our canvas is taped, it's time to add some color. Instead of mixing on a palette, I'm applying small blobs of ultramarine blue deep in a diagonal pattern across the canvas. Following that, I'm adding the aqua green. But since I only have this color in a bottle, I'm using a palette knife to scoop some paint and apply it onto the canvas. This has to be my favorite part. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite part of this painting process. Next, I'm using a flat brush to blend everything together. I start by softly working with aqua green into the black background. This part is super relaxing and you can go over it until you get the perfect glowing aurora effect. And then blending ultramarine blue deep into it. When blending, keep your brush strokes light and soft. Here's a tip. If you feel the colors aren't blending smoothly, you can slightly dampen your brush for a more seamless effect. I like how ultramarine blue deep and aqua green comes together to create this dreamy night sky. You can also experiment with different shades, maybe even purples or teals for a unique look. Blending can take a little patience, so don't rush it. Just keep working in soft strokes and you'll see the colors melt beautifully into each other. Now, let's add some sparkle to the sky. Using a brush dipped in white paint, I lightly splatter tiny stars across the canvas. A light flick of the brush creates tiny scattered stars. Then with a fine detailing brush, I paint a couple of bigger stars and two glowing comets, making the sky look even more magical. Now, let's add some foreground details. To create contrast, I'm using black paint to add pine tree silhouette at the bottom. When painting pine trees, I like to vary the height and shape to make them look more natural. Some trees can be taller, some shorter. It adds the depth and makes the scene feel more realistic. Don't worry about making each tree perfect. Nature is beautifully imperfect, and the more freehand you go, the better the result. If a tree looks off, you can always adjust it by adding more branches or layers. If you're enjoying this painting, you might like my previous tutorial as well. I painted a glowing street lamp against the starry sky, and it's just as fun and relaxing to create. You can find it in the iCard above and in the description below. Be sure to check it out after this. Now comes the satisfying part, peeling off the tape to reveal the window effect. If the paint bled under the tape, no worries. Using a fine brush, touch up the edges with black paint to clean up the lines. So simple, right? And that's it. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.